I just got 2 mystery dumplings, so let's do an unboxing. I got these while I was on vacation in Florida, and they were only $5.99 each, so I got 2 of them. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, I got the blue one, and it's so glittery. This one is so pretty. Okay, I really hope that I can get the red one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the pink one. It's so cute. I love the little face. It's so cute. Bye, guys.